The Only Thing Wrong with Science is Scientist Book 1 by Dr. Dan Mason, Ph.D. Continuing for Chapter 1. Nonetheless, both a university and a high school should serve as a platform for exchanging ideas, where free expression is encouraged. This approach is based on the idea of using an economic comparison to assess the credibility and acceptability of other perspectives. John Stuart Mill wrote, "There is always hope when people are forced to listen to both sides. According to the view, the truth will be revealed through the rivalry of ideas in open and honest public discussions. The theory denounces censorship and promotes the unrestricted dissemination of ideas. The concept of the marketplace of ideas draws a parallel between the characteristics of knowledge and those of tradable commodities or services. It implies that, similar to the selection of commodities and services, the superior offer prevails in a sorting procedure where good ideas are chosen over bad ones. The theory is believed to have originated in John Stuart Mill's 1859 essay on liberty. Mill's book presents a compelling argument against censorship and advocates for the unrestricted dissemination of ideas. He asserts that the unfettered marketplace of ideas is the optimal method for distinguishing falsehoods from facts. This term is frequently used while discussing patent law, as well as the freedom of the press and the obligations of the media in a liberal society. Nevertheless, critics argue that the metaphor's reasoning favors the importance of information over ideas, gives priority to the quantity of content rather than its quality, and eliminates the responsibility within the framework of unrestricted speech. Nevertheless, currently, the governance of our school systems are influenced by flawed doctrines propagated by atheists. John Stuart Mill. On Liberty also tells us, "He who knows only his own side of the case knows little of that. His reasons may be good, and no one may have been able to refute them. But if he is equally unable to refute the reasons on the opposite side, if he does not so much as know what they are, he has no ground for preferring either opinion." Take, for example, although the evolutionary narrative is merely a conjecture based on naturalistic assumptions, the Bible presents a comprehensive historical account and chronological framework that forms the foundation for what is commonly referred to as a young earth creationist perspective. However, do the empirical evidence support a relatively recent age for Earth? In this section, I will demonstrate that biological facts strongly support the idea of a young Earth. What information does the Bible provide regarding the age of the Earth? The Bible offers a comprehensive account of God's creation of Earth and its various life forms during a span of 6 days. Additionally, the book of Genesis includes intricate genealogies and chronologies. Using the Hebrew Masoretic text as a basis, it can be inferred that the age of the Earth is around 6,000 years. Evolutionists believe that the age of Earth is around 4.6 billion years and that life originated on this planet around 3.5 billion years ago. Yet, the biological data strongly supports the hypothesis of a young world. As we take a look at the evidence, we see at least 6 themes, which include the preservation of soft tissues and biomolecules in fossils, the revival of ancient microbes, the deterioration of the human genome, evidence supporting the existence of mitochondrial Eve and the recent origin of Y chromosome Adam, the phenomenon of unchanged living fossils, known as stasis, and the relationship between stasis and population growth. Also of note is that the theory of intelligent design is a hypothesis that can be tested. The concept of intelligent design is derived from the examination of the behavior of intelligent agents during the creation of things or systems. By studying human intelligent agents, we can get significant insights and understanding of the actions of intelligent beings.